Don't eat those. Ow! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Streamline Builds video. This is guaranteed gonna be the easiest, shortest, quickest video you have seen for what I'm dealing with right now. Just gonna be getting this oil pressure switch sensor. We got GM part number 12673134, and should be a direct replacement. Picked up the right socket. You know, you could probably use I don't remember what size it was. I think it's like I don't want to lie to you, 7/8 or something. No, I don't know. But I got the right socket. Didn't want to risk getting behind there, screwing it up. So it was like $8. Part was about 70. And it's gonna be really quick and easy. Hardest part is just gonna be unplugging the old switch so we can access it. All right, so I don't wanna start this thing up and get it all warm or anything like that to screw around, but basically maybe show you for a second, hopefully what's been happening with this thing. And essentially, my oil pressure gauge, it just jumps around from 0 to 40, 45, which is typical. Like right now, it's at 0, and every time it goes below 0, it incessantly beeps at me and tells me there's no oil pressure. And I'll tell you, scared me a little bit first time it happened, but runs fine, everything's great. It's been doing that for about a week now. Finally got the part and the time to get this switch replaced. All right, so all I did so far is just pulled my little shroud cover off and popped over this wiring harness. It just sits right in that little pocket there. All I did was just pop that over, give me a little more access. Beyond that, you can stick your hands straight down there and feel the switch and the plug on lead on it. Super easy. You don't need to remove any of this other stuff. Definitely not. So what we're gonna do is try to get back behind there so I can see exactly what I need to do to depress the switch. And from that point, I can kind of figure it out. Once I get it unplugged, then we will we'll be able to get our socket right on top of there and swap it out. There's also a screen underneath it that if you pull that out, most likely it's dirty, and spray it out with some brake cleaner. Make sure there's nothing in it and reassemble. Alright, so we got everything unplugged. Just need to pull up on that gray cap. Like most all these plugs have a safety on them. And you pull up on that gray cap, and you can push in a little lever on the switch, or on the plug, sorry, and it will come right out. I figured that I need about a 6-inch extension, and this is 2015 Silverado, by the way, so 2014 and up should be pretty similar. I believe it's the same for 2007 or 8 and up are all the same switch plug style. But yeah, it's a little tight. We should have this out in a second. There it is. So now we will try to take a little hook tool and see if we can get the screen out from underneath and clean that as well before we put anything back together. All right, I've got the key to success right here, we hope. Let's stick it in and see how she likes it. OMG, it's working. there we go. Nothing but success. Thanks so much for watching. Hope it was helpful. Super easy. Don't really need to remove anything. I watched a couple videos, tried to see how to do it. People were removing all kinds of things, even the intake manifold, which is absolutely ridiculous. So maybe 10-15 minute job. If you got the right tools, you can do it too. Peace. So I wanted to give a little update of what's been going on around here because I haven't been making any videos or having any time for anything. Expanded our parking turnaround space there, expanded the paving here, just got a new roof installed, and let's go do a little more. Okay, and you can see the ghetto blue truck. It's gone. Sold it. Leveling out a spot here. Put some base down and some sand. Gonna get 2 more loads of sand. Try and level that off. Putting a above ground pool there. Tore my deck down because it ended there or there, and it's gonna go all the way across to here now, connect, and be close to the similar height. Pool might be about a foot taller than the corner of the deck there. Got new gutters put on. This window was busted out in the hailstorm. You can see all the damage on the trims. And so I ordered all these new windows. That's all getting done. It's just been a Wild West situation out here. So just wanted to update you guys and let you know what's been going on. I should be getting a new project soon, but really need to focus on this stuff, get all this done and handled so I can move on with life and still do my day job and have time for projects.